not the only person that hates touching paper or cardboard boxes. Something about paper against my fingertips, it literally feels like someone is scratching a chalkboard. I'm just getting to this piece of PR right now, but it is so cute. I'm trying to figure out how I could put a little handle on this because it's giving clutch. I mean, how freaking cute is this? This is their candy glaze lip gloss sticks, and they come in 4 shades. Here they are, and we're gonna swatch them. So first we've got shade 15. I love this chrome. This is so cute. It's a lightly tinted lip balm. That's 15. This is shade 14. It's gonna be like a nudie for the chocolate girls. We got shade 5. Okay, this one is like a mauve, like a pinky. Got shade 2. This one is like a clear, I guess. Okay, cool. So far, the ones I know that I'll be grabbing are the shade 14 and 2. But thank you, YSL Beauty. These are really cute. Like, pulling these out of my purse, like, it's giving rock star chic. You know what I mean? That's a lot of space. I could fit my phone in here, my YSL, a little bag. Y'all see the vibes. All right, help us out. Bye.